Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying permissions and the thumbnail file itself. Sign in as the channel owner, then open YouTube Studio and confirm custom thumbnails are enabled. Prepare an image at 1280 by 720 pixels, under 2 MB, saved as JPG or PNG, because YouTube rejects unsupported sizes and formats. Once that's ready, upload the image on the video details page and save changes. Make sure the video is set to public or unlisted. Private uploads may delay thumbnail application. After uploading the prepared image, click Save and wait at least 10 to 30 seconds before navigating away, since YouTube sometimes processes thumbnails asynchronously. If the thumbnail still doesn't show, clear your browser cache, hard refresh, or open an incognito window to rule out local caching. Also check on a different device or the YouTube mobile app to confirm whether the change propagated. Finally, inspect your channel for strikes or policy flags, because account issues can prevent custom thumbnails from appearing. With the thumbnail reuploaded, open YouTube Studio, reapply the image using the thumbnail editor, and save once more. Give the platform a minute to update. If the thumbnail still fails to appear, try toggling the video privacy to unlisted then back to public, or remove and reupload the image to force processing. If none of these actions work, contact YouTube support and report the issue. Include video ID and screenshots, because system or account-level problems often require platform intervention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.